What if instead of chasing one new look every week or every so often, you found something that holds you down? This video is a guide on how to find your signature style, one that actually fits your life. Not your dream life, not the one where you have an extra hour of peace and perfect lighting, not the one where you have nice music going. If that's your reality right now, that's excellent. But if it's not your reality, we are trying to design a signature style around your reality. Whether you're working or you're studying or you've got kids, you're just tired, you are depressed, something, you need something to keep you going. When I created my go-to core style, it wasn't because I wanted to give up on variety. No, it was because I was frankly tired of negotiating with my hair every morning and wondering every wash day, what do I do with my hair? I wanted to feel good without having to keep reinventing myself every week. And what I learned is this: your signature style isn't something that you choose because you're out of options or because, you've finally given up on your hair. No, you choose it because you finally realize that you don't need that many options to enjoy your natural hair. You don't. So, here is how to find yours. By the way, check the description box below for my free email course on how to simplify your natural hair routine and build a rhythm that respects your time and that fits your life today. Check it out below. Right, the first thing I would like for you to do is to take stock of what's already working. What one style have you done at least 3 times this year? And each time you feel very good in the style. You felt clean, you felt put together, you felt like yourself. Maybe you took photos, maybe you received compliments from people at home or people outside the house. That is your first data point. What one style do you gravitate towards? Next, please think about styles that you've worn on your most tired days. I mean, those mornings when the baby has cried all night, but you've found something to do with your hair, or your email box is just completely exploded. You need to pull something together quickly with one hand holding a banana. What style did you default to? The fact that you reached for this style tells you one thing, that you know it. Your hands remember how to do this style. Your scalp trusts you. Your brain trusts you. This is it. You can do it in your sleep. This is it. This is your clue. Now, number 3, here's where most people get stuck. They think a signature style has to be fancy or polished or social media ready, but your signature style does not have to be any of those things. It really doesn't. It doesn't have to impress anyone. It just needs to work for you. For your hair, for your time, for your capacity, for your schedule, for your energy, for your sense of peace. Your signature style, it just needs to work for you. So let me give you my own personal checklist. Number 1, can I do the style in 40 to 60 minutes max? Number 2, will it last at least 1 week without having to be redone? Minimum 1 week. 3, can I sleep in this style without pain? Frizz is fine to some degree. Pain is never fine. I'm so tender-headed. Number 4, do I still feel like myself when I wear this style? Not the performance version of me. Like, do I feel like myself? And then number 5, does it work with how my week is actually structured? If a style hits all 5 of those, I lean into it. If it hits maybe 3 or 4 out of 5, I don't abandon it, I adapt it, right? Maybe I do something else to make it the style. Maybe I simplify the prep, or I do something, I just don't throw it out altogether. I shape it around me, because that's the truth. Your style should fit your life, not force your life to bend around it. We don't want to have to fight with our hair every day. Do you know what I mean? We don't. We don't. We want to do things intentionally so that we have the time and the space to enjoy our hair, enjoy our time, so our hair is not a burden or something that we have to cover or hide away. Now, once you find that one style that works, here's what you do. Please, please, please repeat it for 3 weeks straight. No tweaks, no nothing, no pressure. You're not nothing. This is it. You just let it be your default style for 3 weeks. And in those 3 weeks, you learn how to refresh your hair faster. You learn which nighttime routine works best for your hair, which nighttime routine keeps your hair smoother for longer. You know when it frizzes and what part stays perfect or close to perfect. The longer you wear the same style, the more it teaches you. You start to learn so much about your hair. You start to notice your hair's hydration cycle, right? You understand when it needs a wash, when it needs a rinse. You will know just by wearing the style so much. You'll know when it's time to remoisturize your hair before it even tells you. You know when to take it down. You know how to wear it up or how to wear it down. You know how to accessorize it. You will know exactly what to do, how to travel in this hairstyle, how to build on it. Right? This is how we build a partnership with our hair. This is how we enjoy our hair. It's by repetition. I know it sounds boring. I know it does, but this is how we enjoy our hair. Now, let's say you want some variety. Totally fair, right? I understand. Or you want to stretch wash day. Again, fine. Keep the style, just rotate the form, right? Maybe your puff becomes a low bun, or your twists become an updo or a half up, half down, or a twist out or something, right? Your wash and go can evolve into a bun. You can choose a style that lets you stretch wash day a little longer, but the foundation remains the same. The practices remain the same. You're not starting from ground zero. Every week that you go to do your hair, you are building on that core style that you've already chosen that supports your lifestyle and that supports your hair goals as well. So here's a quick exercise for you to begin this process. Grab your phone, pick one hairstyle that you liked the most. You really like this hairstyle, it made you feel confident. Look at your face in the photos. Pick a photo that makes you feel the most like yourself, right? That's your baseline. You don't need to wear the same style forever, even though you could, and you will enjoy it because I enjoy predictability. I can blow dry my hair and change what I do with the front of it, but the back of it stays the same, or the blow drying process stays the same. I stuck to the wash and go, for example, for almost a decade. Obviously, I did other things like blow dry my hair, but my main style was the wash and go. It was my core style. Again, if that's not you, I understand. If you want to switch things up, here's what you can potentially do. You can choose 2 styles or 3 styles as your signature style, and you rotate between those 2 or those 3 styles. That's it. That's it. Maybe one is too limiting for you. I get it. Pick 2, right? But don't do all the styles that you can potentially do with your hair. Not only is it potentially damaging to your hair, it is not sustainable. It really isn't. The goal isn't to be perfect. No, the goal is peaceful hair. Hair you're not fighting with, hair that you like to take pictures in, you like to go out in, you like to stay in your house in. Let your hair serve you. And next week when everything is just so busy, you know exactly what to do with your hair. You're not starting from scratch, you're starting from your signature style.